Monthwise brief report of school activities, May and June 2021. Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, hope breeds peace. The headmistress conducted virtual staff meeting through Zoom app on 31st May 2021 and oriented the staff for the online teaching for the academic year 2021 and 22. The staff secretary read out the minutes of the previous meeting and the staff discussed and evaluated about what is to be done in the future. The staff and the management were on their toes to begin online classes whenever the government announces the commencement of the academic year 2021 and 22. The headmistress had issued class and individual teachers timetable PDFs and instructed the computer staff to update and reorganize the mobile app accordingly. 260 students of 2020 and 21 SSC batch performed well and excelled in their academics with good grades and got the school excellent pass percentage. A big thank you for the SSC students' parents for their 12 years of cooperation to this esteemed institution. June 2021. SSC farewell and new admissions. Every school bids farewell to the outgoing batch and welcomes new students. The process for admissions has begun from 1st June 2021. Telangana Formation Day. 2nd June is a memorable day in history of the state of Telangana. Honorable Chief Minister Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu instructed all the educational institutions to celebrate it by hoisting the flag. The headmistress of the school, Sister T. Usha Rani, along with the PE teachers, hoisted the flag and fondly celebrated the day. The video of which was uploaded in our St. Pius School YouTube channel and was made available for everyone to watch. Orientation programs. Technology and Applications IIRS and ISRO, New Delhi for science and social teachers. Online certificate course on space technology by IIRS ISRO, Department of Science, Government of India was conducted for school teachers from 31st May to 4th June 2021. IIRS Outreach Program is an innovative distance learning initiative for training the students and professionals from academic institutions and user departments in the field of geospatial technology and Earth observation EO by utilizing state-of-art information and communication technologies. 30 of our teachers also actively participated and bagged e-certificates. This year has been a challenging year for all of us. We all have gone through turmoil and health hazard. At the instruction of the headmistress, the staff has taken the initiative to inquire about the well-being of our children and their family members. By the grace of God, every Paisan family is healthy, safe, and secure under the providential care of God Almighty. This drive enabled the school to build up good rapport with the parents. Workshop for teachers. The staff handling classes from LKG to 10th attended workshops class-wise and subject-wise at the allotted timings physically in the school from 4th June to 8th June, conducted by the headmistress, the subjects heads of the departments, and the computer staff. Educators meet Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru. The reputed Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru has conducted the educators meet for all the educators of CBSE, ICSE, and state boards of India and abroad from 9th June to 12th June. Nearly 1500 educators have participated actively. Our staff also got the opportunity to equip themselves with the new techniques to teach innovatively virtually. Every human being longs for the presence of God and thirsts for the solace moments. It is mandatory for the institution to begin the academic year with the blessings of God. Keeping to this tradition, this year also our staff members had the prayer service online and offline on 15th June 2021. Virtual assembly. The school assembly plays vital role in motivating teachers and students alike before we start the day. The management and the staff decided to go for the virtual assembly by the staff. It was an excellent program done for different sections on different dates and was uploaded in St. Pius YouTube channel. Commencement of online classes. High school from 8th to 10th classes from 17/6/2021. The much awaited day has come after a long period of summer vacation to begin the new academic year 2021 and 22 online classes. The staff prepared varieties of presentations to give grand welcome to their respective class students. On the first day itself, 80% of the students have attended the classes. A big thank you for all the parents for their keen interest to motivate their wards to attend online classes. 2 days workshop for online poster making and video editing for CSA Management School's staff was conducted by St. Pius X Degree College Nacharam on 18th June and 19th June 2021. We are not sure of what may come next, but we need to prepare and be ready for any task. In preparation for this, CSA Management has arranged for all 75 schools of different districts, states and abroad the golden opportunity to upgrade their technical skills for the poster making and video editing. International Yoga Day 21st June 2021. Every year on this day, our students perform different asanas under the able guidance of Master Satyananda at various locations in our school campus. In spite of the present circumstances, our students could take part in yoga in their sweet homes through the link sent by the District Educational Officer, Hyderabad. Vaccination Drive, 23rd June 2021. Health is wealth, and wealth is accumulated to preserve health. The vaccination drive was conducted by the District Educational Officer at Mushirabad before the commencement of classes. Our teaching, non-teaching and support staff availed this great opportunity. Consent of the parents for the virtual classes reopening for KG to 7th classes. 75 to 80% of the parents have given their consent through the school parent app to start online classes. This huge positive response encouraged the management to begin the classes from 28th June. The teachers were ready with great zeal and enthusiasm. Our students were excited to see the teachers and friends virtually on the reopening day. This rapport and interaction between students and teachers continues to be encouraging to this day. Turn the page. It's the only way to get to the next chapter.